Hi, my name is Makenna and I'm a student at Aurora Middle School. Today I'll be showing you how to do hands-on equations using a scale. This is x and this is the opposite of x. Together they make a pair of 0. The green cube is a negative integer or constant and the red cube is a positive integer or constant. Today, the first problem I'll be showing you is x plus 10 equals 3x plus 2. Some legal moves that we can do is add the same thing to both sides or take away the same thing from both sides. We can also take away pairs of 0 if they're on the same side. So this is the first side of our problem and this is the next. We want to try to isolate x. So the first thing we're going to do is take away this x by adding opposite of x to both sides. Then we can take away this pair of 0 using 2 hands and this pair of 0 using both hands. Then we have 10 equals 2x plus 2. We now want to get rid of the 2, so we're going to add negative 2 to both sides. Then this is again a pair of 0 since you have a negative and a positive number with the same value. And negative 2 plus 10 equals positive 8. So now we have 2x equals 8. If you divide each by 2, you have x equals 4. Our second problem is negative 10 plus x equals the opposite of 3x plus 2. So the first thing we want to do is add positive 10 to both sides to get rid of negative 10. Since we're adding the same thing to both sides using 2 hands, it's a legal move. Now we're going to take away this pair of 0 since 10 plus negative 10 equals 0. And so we have x equals the opposite of 3x plus 12. Now we're going to get rid of the opposite of 3x by adding x's to both sides using 2 hands. Then we have 3 pairs of 0 here, so we will go ahead and take these away. So we have 4x equals positive 12. If you divide each by 4, x equals 3. So our last problem is 5 plus x plus the opposite of 3x equals 3x plus the opposite of 2x plus negative 1. So the first legal move that we're going to do is take away pairs of 0 from the same side using 2 hands. This is 1 pair of 0, and these are 2 pairs of 0. So now we have 5 plus the opposite of 2x equals x plus negative 1. We're then going to get rid of the negative 1 by adding positive 1 to both sides. And we're going to take away this pair of 0 because if you add them together it equals 0. And we're going to take away the opposite of 2x by adding 2x to both sides. And then we'll take away these 2 pairs of 0, so you have 5 plus 1, which equals 6. So there you have 3x equals 6. Now if you divide each by 3, you will have x equals 2. Thanks for watching.